Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about application of the derivative. So now I will show you how to answer. So the question, what is the y-intercepts of the tangent line that intersects the function at s equals to number 3. So now I will show you how to answer. First, we need to find first the derivative of the function, and we have 3s squared minus number 5 at s equals to number 3. So we put number 3 in here. And we have 22. Now we can apply the formula of the tangent line. So we put number 3 cone here, number 3 cone here. This one we put number 3 cone here. So we know that this one that is about 22. This one we calculate, and we have number 12. So 22 multiplied by s and number 3, we have 22s minus 66. So this one we have negative 54. And now y-intercept that is about negative 54, and this is the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.